Here I have a white bath mat that feels like lovely, good, thick quality. It still feels really lovely and soft, but it looks a bit grey and dingy and it has some stains on it. I actually picked this up at a car boot sale for 50p at the weekend, and I grabbed it and thought I want to see if I can clean that up. So let's see how it goes. Can I have it now? Can I have it now? Teddy? What are you doing? Do you like this, do you? Is it yours now? Do you not want me to clean it? Here I have just a tub full of tap water, warm tap water. I'm going to put in a couple of scoops of this Oxy Active powder. I'm also going to use about 3 scoops of these soda crystals. And because it's great for grease cutting, I'm going to put a squirt of fairy liquid in there as well. And in it goes. It's been about 2 hours and I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir to agitate it. Look at the colour of the water, very, very grimy. That stain there hasn't lifted, so I'm going to scrub a bit of Oxy Action in there in a moment. But what has really surprised me is look at the colour of it. I wasn't expecting this, but it looks like it's actually pink, not white. So that pink was just literally hiding under so much grime. Anyway, I'm going to get some of that Oxy Active powder, scrub it in. I mean, I don't know how long these stains have been there. They could be completely set in, washed in. But let's give it a go. So I've got a very soft nail brush so that I don't snag the material. I'm just going to rub that in there. I don't think Teddy approves of me cleaning this. Teddy, Teddy, come here. Teds. Okay, it's been about 4 hours and look at the colour of the water. It looks really grimy. I'm going to take it out and put it in the machine now. See what colour it finally ends up. Just going to pop it on a regular 40-degree wash for an hour. Okay, it's out of the washing machine now, and honestly I can't even work out what colour it is anymore. Is it white? Is it beige? Is it pinky purpley stripes? Here it is, all clean and dry. It's looking much brighter and fresher. And Teddy still approves. What do you think, Teddy? Is it nice? You like this rug, don't you? Is it yours now? Have you cleaned it? Okay then.